What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with a YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
If you want to see how I transform to look this good, then make sure you keep on watching this Get Ready with me, because tonight we go to Cactus Club. All right, guys, we are on crunch time, but we are about to get ready to go to Cactus Club. We're about to get ready. We got to do our hair. We got to do our makeup, put our outfit on. I'm about to jump in the shower, so let me go take a shower really quick, and I'm going to see you guys when we start our hair, because we look crazy. I did do a quick weave on myself yesterday, just in case, you know, any of the girls want to learn how to do their own quick weave. I recorded a video for you guys, but I'm in South Florida and it has been so humid outside, girls, so I have not been able to get my leave out from frizzing up. Like, this is my leave out literally after frying it 4 times. But we're gonna get it fried one more time and we're gonna get it right this time. So first thing I'm gonna do to try to get my hair together, we're gonna put a little heat protectant, okay? Nothing too crazy, because we've been doing that for 4 times now. Now, I didn't leave out enough hair for my part, but we're gonna just try to make her work. We're gonna get that curve. Now, what I'm gonna do to my part is also add a little black spray so it can look like I have more hair out than I actually do. I'm about to put my hot comb on. I think I'm gonna put it at 370, nothing too crazy. Then I'm gonna use this 1/2 inch flat iron because my hair is short. So we're just gonna use that to like really get up in there. Okay, my love, so now it's time to curl this quick weave. I'm actually using the Revlon curling iron, and this actually looks like the Babyliss, but it's Revlon. I am doing some barrel curls. Now, if you know me, I love a good flat iron curl, but for tonight, I wanted to pull out the big dog. Shout out to my sister for letting me borrow this. You guys can just kind of watch how I'm curling my hair. This is not a curl tutorial because I'm still winging it and I'm still figuring it out. I did like how my curls came out, but when I practiced these curls 2 days ago, those curls came out better than what I did for tonight. These cute curls were like a little looser and it just gave the hair a little bit more body rather than actual like wifey curls, but nonetheless it came out super duper cute. Now, after I pin the curls up, we're gonna jump right into makeup because per usual, your girl is always running late. So this is pretty much my traditional makeup routine. So if you're new here, you can check out a plethora of my videos that are going to be a little bit more detailed and explanatory. But in today's video, girl, we are getting ready to go. Now, I want to put you onto this new thing that I did try with my makeup. So because I wanted a very light pink under eye, I took my pink blush, which is in shade Pink Lady from Juvias Place, and then I mixed it in with my concealer, which is a very light white concealer, and that concealer is Medium Sand from Tarte, and I mixed it in and I got this really light baby pink. I feel like next time I'm gonna go a little heavier with it, but overall that is the only thing that changed. I wanted to try that technique. I seen it on TikTok. Shout out to Painted by Esther. This is not her full kind of like technique, but ever since I've been seeing her so much on my TikTok, you guys know the drama that's been going on, it has just been getting me into my pink under eye, my pink blush look. Okay, now also I'm about to let the music play. Y'all gonna see me talk a lot in this video, but it's muted. Girl, the tea was hot, that's all I'm gonna say. I was going through it in the past week or so I was on the phone with my homegirl, so you're gonna see me talking. I try to cut it out because I kind of hate when I do that, but this is a real life get ready with me. Like, we are not getting ready just to go sit in that living room. We are going out. So make sure you stay tuned for the vlog of the night as well. But yeah, let me turn the music up and let y'all rock out with me while we get ready for tonight. All right, my love, so we just finished dusting down our makeup, and now we're just gonna go ahead and put on our moisturizer, making sure the body is nice and ready for tonight. The dress that I'm wearing is from Fashion Nova, but everything is going to be linked down below in the description box. We're using the L'Oreal setting spray to make sure my makeup is locked and loaded. Now I'm taking down my clips. I'm gonna take my time to make sure my curls pop. When you take down your clips, take your time. And for me to get my curls how I wanted them, I did use a small tooth comb, as you'll see here. So for my hair, it was reverting. I kept trying everything to try to get my hair to stop reverting. By the end of the night, girl, my hair was reverting, but it still looked really good. It was still pretty much tamed, but we did go ahead and try to seal it in with some hairspray. But I have natural hair, so that's bound to happen. This is what the look is giving. I think L'Oreal is low-key the star of the show, because a lot of these products are from L'Oreal. I'm using their Lumi Glow just to add to my exposed skin. I'm just putting a little bit because I do have boob tape on, so I want to make sure that the girls are sitting, honey, okay? For fragrance, we are going in with the Miu Miu perfume. This fragrance is so beautiful. I did go ahead and pair it with the Valentino Ultra Dose. I just wanted like a little bit of a fruity scent. And CoverGirl did go ahead and send me some lip glosses and some lip stains. So this is like a lip, like kind of stain, like, you know, lip liner that stains. It's so perfect. It lasted me the whole entire night. Okay, so this is what the look is giving, honey. We are tea. We look so freaking good, okay? I ate this look on up, okay? Ate it on up, girl. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at team.stacie so you can like my pictures, because the pictures was tea, honey, okay? Period. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. I did a quick get ready with me. This is my hair, my outfit, everything. All the details are going to be linked down below in the description box. If you watch this video all the way through, go ahead and comment down this secret message down below. That is how I know you are a gang, and you make sure you finish all the videos. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you guys at Cactus Club, so make sure you check out that vlog. Bye guys, see you in the next video.